Traffic Wing Control Imphal City has collected Rs 2,33,000 from traffic rule violators in Imphal City in the past 9 days. The initiative was taken up as a measure to regulate traffic and prevent road mishaps. The final Assam citizens list will be published online at 10 AM tomorrow, over a year after the first list that identifies whether a person is an Indian or a foreigner was released. The names of over 41 lakh people don't appear in the Assam NRC. The announcement of the final NRC list is likely to be the biggest development in Prime Minister Narendra Modi's second term after the centre's move to scrap special status from Jammu and Kashmir and divide it into 2 union territories. A time bomb exploded this morning at around 5:20 at Viulan in Ukhrul district. As per reports, the incident happened at the shop of one person named Makhal. However, no one was reportedly injured in the bomb blast. Further details are awaited in this regard. Miyamgi Numit and Hill Leaders Day is taking place at the Chief Minister's Secretariat Imphal starting from this morning. As a part of the initiative being taken by the Chief Minister N. Biren, many people from across the state gathered at the venue to share their issues with the Chief Minister. The Bureau of Civil Aviation Security informed that body scanners would be made mandatory at all major airports of India within a year. According to media reports, the BCAS also made it clear that in 2 years at all the major airports across the country, the body scanners would be installed and its use would be made compulsory. The state of Arunachal Pradesh under the leadership of Chief Minister Pema Khandu has been giving top priority to all the activities of sports and youth affairs. According to reports, the state is witnessing a spurt of growth and positive change in the field, said Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Mama Matung. Kohima will host the second Nagaland Film Festival to be organized from October 1st to November 1st, 2019. As per reports, the organizers have invited entries of films for the second Nagaland Film Festival from Northeast India, both for the competition and non-competition sections.